Okay, having got planning from PowerCAD, we now need to populate with some walls. Look at the wall tool. A double click will open that, or an option click, as is the PowerCAD normal way of opening. Anything with two dots means there's more information there. I've already put two settings in for walls, one called external, one called posts. External has a height of 270mm and a thickness of 300mm. Sorry for our American partners out there. I'm completely metric and can't think in feet and inches at all. We've got material settings, left, right and edge for our wall. We'll have a look at those in a little while. And over to stories, we are going to use the layer walls to actually start and begin populating our drawing with the wall tool. Click on the wall tool. First thing to note is that we have a clockwise drawing convention. A click here and a click to the right implies we're drawing in a clockwise direction. Our wall, if we double click now, you see is drawn in a southerly direction. That methodology pertains right through the application. If you turn it upside down, clicking right to left in this case, we'll draw the wall in a northerly direction. Now imagine if you're in a circular motion going clockwise, you can easily see how the tools actually work. Wall tool works in the same way, as does the implementation of doors and windows. So let's start off. I'm going to build our wall by simply tracing round. You'll notice that we don't need to go near to the edge of a line to actually pick up the hot spot to snap to. Go past a halfway and we find that line. Let's zoom in, got some ambiguity here. Spacebar to go across. I'm actually looking for a line, basically what we're doing, on the end of there, because I'm not going to complete the garage just yet, for reasons you will see later. And there we have dropped in our 3D wall. Using the scroller mouse, I can zoom in on that, spacebar to rotate, and note we can now change any of those colours and they will reflect through the whole drawing. I'll leave that as KN. And being semi-parametric, we can also populate a different height, again throughout the whole drawing. Everything called external. Oh, we've lost our setting there, let's call that external. Everything called external will have a height of 500. Let's put that back to 2007, alter the thickness, and again the whole thing changes, and it will change throughout the document. Every wall called external. Okay, let's shrink that back down again. I'm now going to pop in what is our garage, and again clicking on the floater makes the tool active. We need a point there, and a double click to finish. And there we have a completed outline wall section, very rapidly, no fuss whatsoever, to a given height, and as said before, anything within that can be changed. Let's set back to 2700, and we'll move on to the next section, which is populating with doors and windows.